Have you ever wondered why the sky is blue? Well, it's not a simple answer, but we're going to break it down. Now let's start with the basics. Our sky often appears as a vast blue dome, but have you ever stopped to think about why that is? This isn't just a random choice by Mother Nature, but a fascinating phenomenon known as Rayleigh scattering. Rayleigh scattering, named after the British scientist Lord Rayleigh, is the process that makes us perceive the sky as blue. It involves sunlight, which, believe it or not, is a blend of many different colors, each with a specific wavelength. When this multicolored sunlight reaches our atmosphere, it collides with tiny oxygen and nitrogen molecules. These collisions cause the light to scatter in different directions, with the blue light being scattered more because of its shorter, smaller waves. And voila, that's why we see a blue sky. So it's not that the sky is blue, but it appears blue to us because of how sunlight interacts with our atmosphere. But what does it mean that sunlight interacts with our atmosphere? To understand that, we need to talk a bit about light. You see, sunlight isn't just a single color. It's a mixture of all the colors we can see, and even some we can't. Each color has a different wavelength, with red at one end of the spectrum having the longest, and violet at the other end with the shortest. The blue we see in the sky falls somewhere in between. Now here's where it gets interesting. When sunlight enters our atmosphere, it collides with all sorts of tiny particles like molecules of oxygen and nitrogen. Because blue light has a shorter wavelength, it's more likely to hit these particles and get scattered in all directions. This scattering phenomenon is more pronounced for blue light than for light of longer wavelengths. And that's why when we look up at the sky, it's not red or green, but a beautiful, brilliant blue. So the blue light gets scattered all around the sky, and when we look up, we see blue. So, to put it all together, let's take a quick journey back through the fascinating world of light and color. Sunlight, despite appearing white to our eyes, is actually a rainbow of colors combined. Each color in the spectrum has its own unique wavelength, and blue, with its shorter wavelength, is like the energetic kid who just can't keep still. As sunlight enters our atmosphere, these blue light waves get bounced around, scattered in every direction by the tiny molecules of air. This scattering process, known as Rayleigh scattering, is more effective for blue light due to its shorter wavelength. This is why our sky dons a blue cloak most of the time. So when you lift your gaze towards the heavens, the blue you see is a result of this energetic dance of blue light in our atmosphere. So, next time you look up at the sky and see that beautiful blue, you'll know it's all thanks to the science of light and our atmosphere. Isn't science amazing? Wow, what a journey we've been on today, right? The science of light and color is indeed amazing, and there's so much more to learn. If you've enjoyed this trip through the fascinating world of light, wavelengths, and our blue sky, then we have a lot more in store for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content like this and share the wonders of science with everyone. Remember, every like, share, and comment helps us reach out to more science enthusiasts like you. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay curious.